Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern architectural design, a luxurious single-story house featuring large glass windows and a mix of stone and wood accents. The scene captures the home at twilight, with warm, inviting lights glowing from inside. A serene outdoor setting includes a tranquil pool reflecting the house, surrounded by lush greenery and carefully arranged rocks. Incorporate soft grasses and decorative plants around the pool area, and include a stylish lounge chair positioned nearby. A charming modern rustic home featuring a mix of stone and brick exterior with large glass windows. The scene captures a warm, inviting atmosphere at dusk, illuminated by soft golden lights from within. The architecture emphasizes clean lines and a cozy layout, surrounded by lush greenery and a well-maintained garden. The front porch is adorned with comfortable outdoor seating, nestled among native plants and stone pathways. The roof showcases rustic red tiles, harmonizing with the earthy tones of the brick and stone. A modern, single-story home set in a serene forest landscape during the golden hour of autumn. The house features an inviting combination of natural stone and rich wooden siding, characterized by large glass windows that create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The peaceful ambience is accentuated by warm lighting spilling from the interior, casting a cozy glow. Surrounding the house is a lush green lawn, dotted with ornamental plants in terracotta pots. A wooden deck leads to a small stone pathway, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. A modern, open-concept house situated in a lush, green forested setting, showcasing a seamless blend of nature and architecture. The structure features large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that allow natural light to flood the interior and provide stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The exterior is a combination of warm wooden tones and sleek, dark metal accents, emphasizing a contemporary aesthetic. The house is framed by a beautifully landscaped garden with carefully placed rocks and plants, creating a tranquil atmosphere. Modern architecture house at dusk, set against a backdrop of majestic mountains. The home features a sleek, minimalist design with a combination of glass, stone, and dark wood, creating a harmonious blend with the surrounding landscape. Warm, ambient lighting emanates from inside, casting a golden glow through expansive glass doors. The foreground showcases a beautifully landscaped garden with a winding stone pathway, dotted with vibrant greenery, succulent plants, and strategically placed boulders. Soft, glowing lights highlight the textures of the landscape, while the sky transitions into soft pastel colors, reflecting the tranquility of the evening. A modern mid-century style house with extensive glass walls and a wooden deck, situated in a serene forested setting during sunset. The architecture features sharp lines and an expansive layout, blending seamlessly with nature. The house is illuminated from within, casting a warm golden glow that contrasts with the cool bluish tones of the twilight sky. Vibrant shades of orange, pink, and purple streak across the clouds as the sun sets behind the trees. The outdoor area includes stylish seating arrangements with plush cushions, a low wooden table, and a few potted plants, emphasizing comfort and relaxation. Lush garden scene featuring raised wooden planter boxes overflowing with vibrant orange, red, and yellow marigolds, surrounded by an array of greenery and colorful flowers. The setting includes a cozy, rustic house in the background with a sloped roof, nestled among tall trees and foliage. Soft natural light filters through the leaves, casting gentle shadows on a gravel path dotted with small green plants. A warm, inviting atmosphere with a focus on rich earthy tones and splashes of color, evoking a hyperrealistic aesthetic that captures the beauty of a well-tended garden in full bloom. Modern minimalist glass house nestled in an autumn forest, showcasing a seamless blend of nature and architecture. The scene is set in a forest with vibrant orange and yellow foliage, capturing the essence of fall. The house features large floor-to-ceiling windows that reflect the warm, inviting glow of interior lighting, creating a cozy atmosphere. The exterior is clad in sleek black materials, contrasting with the rich earthy tones of the surrounding landscape. In the foreground, a well-maintained garden with carefully arranged shrubs and pathways made of dark stones leads up to the entrance. Modern architectural home with a concrete facade, large glass windows reflecting surrounding greenery, a serene outdoor patio with minimalistic furniture, well-manicured garden with smooth stones and lush grass, soft ambient lighting spilling from the interior, inviting and cozy atmosphere, hints of autumn colors in the trees, combination of earthy tones and soft grays. Hyperrealistic style showcasing intricate details of design and texture, emphasis on harmony between indoor and outdoor spaces. A tranquil setting that blends modern aesthetics with natural elements. Contemporary two-story house seamlessly integrated into a lush tropical environment, featuring expansive glass walls that provide unobstructed views of the surrounding greenery. The architecture is minimalist, with a concrete structure that contrasts elegantly with the vibrant foliage. Soft, warm lighting emanates from the interior, highlighting stylish modern furnishings in neutral tones. The setting is bathed in natural sunlight, with carefully curated indoor plants enhancing the ambience. The foreground includes a tranquil garden area with smooth stones and varied tropical plants, creating a serene and harmonious outdoor space. A modern, multi-level house nestled in a lush, green forest, designed with a sleek, curvilinear structure. The facade prominently features expansive glass walls reflecting warm golden lights from within, merging contemporary architecture with nature. Surrounding the house, vibrant greenery and carefully arranged plants create a serene atmosphere, complemented by a tranquil water feature at the base. The scene is set during twilight, with soft illumination showcasing the rich textures of the concrete and wooden elements of the home. serene modern house amidst a vibrant autumn landscape, featuring floor-to-ceiling glass walls revealing a cozy interior with warm lighting. The exterior showcases a sleek, minimalist design with wooden accents. Surrounding the house, a meticulously landscaped garden filled with fiery orange and red foliage, lush greenery, and strategically placed smooth pebbles. A gentle mist envelopes the scene, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.